Hello and welcome for another episode of How to Customize Alicia. Today we are going to look into how we can connect PNGTuber with Alicia. So you will have your own 2D character animated as soon as Alicia starts talking directly in your stream. So let's have a look. So the main element you have to do is to be able to have your voice meter working. So in the background, I'm just going to reset my setting there so we all have the same beginning. One of the elements to look into is your virtual input there. You will have multiple ones for voice meter, and then you will just have to set up the different output for the internal hardware kind of cabling there. For me, it's going to be the line of the Zoom L12, which is the card just there. Now it comes to Windows settings. So here you basically have the sound. So if we go there, we will have the different apps in the volume mixer. Okay, here you should find Alicia's dashboard there. When you expand this, you will have the output device and the input device. Usually when you will do that, you will have both of them set up to default. What we want to have is the voice meter input here. And when this is set up, we can test out and see if it's actually coming through as we expect it. When it's playing, it should be showing a bar just there.
Lock it down and listen up, or I'll start barking orders like we're storming the damn beach.
And here we go. So we can see that the input is actually going through voice meter and being replayed here as I've set up the line there to be picked up, and so we can hear it well. So now we'll be looking at how we can connect PNGTuber with the voice of Alicia. First of all, so I believe you already downloaded it and you just have to start the PNGTuber here. So I've just used the default one, but it's really up to you to define everything there. You can basically set up the different thresholds and we'll be able to see that properly. Now it's super easy. You only have to select your mic here and see if it's actually working with the voice of Alicia. So here for us, we'll be taking the voice meter out B1 here. So you can see it stopped moving as soon as I changed the mic. And we will try to actually make Alicia speak using one of the messages she sent before and see if it's working.
Good. Now let's see if that thing survives when you're cracked under fire.
And here we go. So we have the animated PNG there. Now what's left to be done is how do we integrate this directly in our stream. Well, you can see PNGTuber is actually already on a transparent background. So now the only thing we need to do is to add a game capture there with PNGTuber for Alicia. We're going to do capture specific windows. We select the window here for the PNGTuber and we allow transparent background. And now we just test if it takes the audio properly and start animating.
Good. Now let's see if that thing survives when you're cracked under fire.
And here we go. So you have your PNGTuber directly connected with Alicia and you'll have an animated character while you're actually streaming. That's all for today. You can have all the link in the description to download PNGTuber. Make sure you have voice meter installed and the Alicia app. If you have any question, please write them in the comments or join us directly on Discord. We'll be there to help you as much as we can. And if you have any suggestion of which integration you want to see next, just let us know. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to be aware of any new feature we release. See you next time. Cheers.